A group of youth, mashallah, young brothers, they came from different parts of Birmingham. Allah, some of them from really far, subhanAllah. And they brought one of their dear friends with them. And subhanAllah, he wasn't Muslim, but he came to accept Islam. So we'll ask Brother Kamani to come here, inshallah. He's going to take Shahada, bi'idhnillah azza wa jal. And Sheikh Mustafa, inshallah, is going to do the...
You know, I was upstairs with the brothers when we gave the Shahada, and I said to them, you know what, let's not wait till Isha. This is about an hour ago, and I said the reason why we shouldn't wait for an hour is because we don't know where we're going to be in an hour's time. So why delay? Why delay when something can happen in this hour's time, but we still want to enjoy the moment publicly? And Kamani and his father Jason both accepted Islam, alhamdulillah, but it's nice for us to do it publicly in the community as well. And you know, there's a message I forgot to say to both of you, and that is, don't change your names. Your name Kamani, and you tell your father Jason to keep his name as Jason, so the people know that the religion of Islam is a religion for everybody. And it's not a religion for people just called Muhammad, or the people just called Abdullah or Ibrahim. The religion of Islam is a religion for everybody, for Jason, for Kamani, and for everybody else. And this is the religion of Islam, the religion of the monotheism, of believing in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and accepting the final messenger, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. So without taking any more of people's time, inshallah, we'll say the Shahada. So we'll do it like we did upstairs. We'll say the English and then we'll say the Arabic, inshallah. I testify that there is no God but Allah. And I testify that Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, is his slave and messenger. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa Allah wa ashhadu anna Muhammad abduhu wa rasuluh. Allahu Akbar.
فبالله كم تستطيب القروح ويبرأ جروح الكثير الجريح وينشط ذاك السقيم العليم.
SubhanAllah, one of the things that, wallahi, I'm not just saying this, it always makes me happy, is to see the youth in the masjid, especially in this country. Wallahi, whenever I see the youth in the masjid, even if it's just one person, wallahi, it always makes me happy. Whenever I don't mention it, but it's inside me, I look at that young person and I think, wallahi, it's a big name. In this country, it's not easy in a Muslim country, let alone in this country. There's so many fitness outside that pose the adults, the young ones like myself. Subhanallah, today, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala blessed this place. As always, it's happened so many times, alhamdulillah. A group of youth, mashallah, young brothers, they came from different parts of Birmingham. Allah, some of them from really far, subhanallah. And they brought one of their dear friends with them. And subhanAllah, he wasn't Muslim, but he came to accept Islam by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Again, it's Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's guidance. But look at these young ones, mashallah, tabarakallah. They thought of their close friends and they brought him, they came all the way. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward them and give them all the success in this life. Wallah. If we are happy with this, imagine what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, how happy He is to see one of His servants, one of His creations coming to Him. And subhanallah, you know what? Just before we came there, a few minutes ago, his father was with him and he took Shahada, he became Muslim. Wallahi. And inshallah, there is another member of the family that is, inshallah, we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that He guides him and He opens his heart to the truth and guides him to the deen of Islam.